Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now? Save any work quickly, then open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC. Once open, sort by CPU and memory to spot the offender. Select the Hung app and click End Task to free resources. This often restores responsiveness immediately. If Explorer is frozen, restart Windows Explorer instead of logging out. Make sure to avoid ending processes labeled System or with no user associated, because that can destabilize Windows. Once the immediate freeze is handled, verify system integrity and drivers. Run Windows Update and install pending patches. Drivers often cause hangs. Open Device Manager and update suspicious drivers or roll back recent installs. Then open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scanno to repair corrupted files, followed by dism/online/restore health to fix the component store. These steps fix underlying causes, so finish by isolating software conflicts with a clean boot. Open msconfig, disable non-Microsoft startup items, then reboot to test. Reset power and network settings to defaults and run a quick Defender scan for malware. If issues persist, use System Restore to roll back or choose Reset this PC as a last resort, keeping files if desired. Troubleshooting tip. If freezes happen only after a specific update or app, uninstall that item first before a reset to avoid unnecessary reinstalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.